Okay, we're going to start Home Links lesson 6.6. Right, and in class we have been working on organizing number story information and multiplication and division and using division and multiplication diagrams. So we're going to complete the diagram, use a letter to represent the unknown amount. We're going to write a number model, then we're going to solve the number story, and we can do that by drawing a picture to help us. Write your answer with a unit and then check to see, does your answer make sense? All of which we have been working in the class for quite some time now. All right, so the problem is you have 42 tennis balls to share among 6 tennis courts. How many tennis balls will you place in each court? So if we go back, we see what we know. We know there's 42 tennis balls to share among 6 tennis courts. And then we want to find out how many tennis balls we'll place on each court. So let's use the letter B to represent the balls here and stuff. We know we have 6 tennis courts. We do not know how many balls are on each court, so we're going to use a B there. And we do know that there are 42 balls in all. Okay, so if we were going to write a number model for this, we could do 6 times B equals 42, or we could do 42 divided by 6 equals B. And each one of those we're going to come up with the same answer. So in this area here, boys and girls, is where you need to make sure you draw a picture to show me what your work is that you did. All right, so I know that I have 6 groups, and that will represent my 6 tennis courts. Okay, I can put 1 in each tennis court until I get to 42. Okay, and boys and girls, if you organize your picture nice and neatly, it will help you to see how many you have in each group and see that you have the same number in each group when you are finished getting to the number or the product that we want, which is 42. And I'm almost there. And notice how neatly I arranged all of my to get the same one. All right, and I have 42. I had 42 exactly, so I can count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I look at each one of those pictures, they all are the same. So I have 7 tennis balls. Just remember to always use the information that you have, knowing that we have 42 tennis balls, 6 tennis courts. We want to find out how many are on each court. So our answer would be 7 tennis balls. Now, boys and girls, you need to explain to someone at home how you know your answer makes sense. All right, so you want to go ahead and explain that to someone, but you could look at it and say, okay, well, I know that I have to have less than 42 because there's 42 total. All right, and if I take that 7 and multiply it by 6, I'm going to get 42. All right, that concludes lesson 6.6.